Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 guys and you have the ABS or traction control light on, we'll explain guys which fuse to check first. Okay, it could be just a bad fuse that triggers the light. Of course it could be something else. Most common reason for ABS or traction control light is ABS wheel speed sensor, and we have a video how to replace one. It's super simple, not very complicated. Or it could be a bad module or bad brake pump. So stay with us guys, we'll show you where to find the fuses. You may have 2 or 3 fuses depending which model we have, and we'll explain what needs to be done to replace them. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, CX7, and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So let us show you now guys. Okay, your ABS and brake pump is located, actually it's located under the battery. Okay, right there. Okay, it's very hidden. It's okay, let me plug this one in because we're charging the battery. It's right under the battery in the corner. It's very very a very hard to reach location. So check your fuses first. Let me show you now. Fuse box is right next to the car battery. Open the fuse box, okay, like that, pull it out, and now the fuses guys that we'll be looking at usually, okay, you might have 2 or 3 fuses. Okay, on this side right here, this row, okay, this is ABS fuse, ABS and traction control fuse, and right here as well. Our does not have the third one. Okay, it really depends. You may have it, you may not, depending on the options and the package that your car comes with. Now these fuses usually guys, you can check them by looking at them if they're burnt or not. But if you can, what you can do, okay, I usually grab and pull one out. I gently pry it up with a screwdriver, but you can pull it with your hands. And now this fuse guys, if you can tell if it's burnt or not, what I would recommend, okay, remove it, move it a few times, because you may build corrosion or something here that can prevent from contacting good. And I get a voltmeter. If you guys need a good voltmeter, check this thing out. You can find a link in the description of the video below. It's super good voltmeter with the true RMS, very accurate one. And also, if you need replacement fuses, we have the link as well. Check it out. So, how you check the fuse now? Okay, on resistance test, okay, if it shows 0 guys, okay, close to 0, that fuse is good. If the fuse is burnt, it will show nothing. It will show like it has no communication. But if the fuse is good, the numbers will go close to 0. So definitely guys, a good fuse here. Those are the 2 or 3 fuses that your car may have. So hopefully guys, okay, the video will be helpful to you. Any of you that have Mazda guys CX-7, if you have a little fuse here, okay, it will be just a regular mini fuse like the ones there. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.